Good morning, guys. Happy last day before our holiday break. Who's excited? I am. This morning we are reading together the story How to Catch an Elf, and I actually have this book, but it's in the classroom, so we're going to read it this way using YouTube. It is a hint into what we might be doing this morning in our morning meeting. So listen up, pay attention, and enjoy the story. It's not real long, but it's very fun and very cute. And it's called, again, How to Catch an Elf. It's Christmas Eve, hip, hip, hooray, yes, Santa's coming round. He's bringing toys to boys and girls in every house in town. Some kids have tried to catch him, but Santa's fast, you see, so they've set their eyes on a smaller prize, and now they're after me. I'm not my friend upon a shelf who comes each year and sits. No, I've got style and I've got grace. I'm the elf that never quits. Cute, isn't he? Now Santa's ready. Time to go. I'm sure your traps are scary. I'll do my best to dodge them all and leave you feeling merry. In I go to Emma's house to make sure all is clear. A tinsel net? Oh, that's just fun. I won't get caught in here. Jaden's trap cannot be missed. I think it's double-sided. He's got his spot on my naughty list. You bet that's been decided. Another house is filled with treats. These kids are getting smarter. I can't resist the candy canes. My job is getting harder. Santa slowly lowers me into a dangerous room. If I touch down, he won't just frown. There'll be a bonbon boom. Your Christmas maze is all laid out. My work's no longer cushy. I safely brought you all your gifts, but hey, you zapped my tushy. And now my radar's perking up. This next one's quite a chore. We don't know yet what lies ahead in this family grocery store. Dun, 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 dun. We run inside and get caught up in an avalanche of food. We've seen all kinds of traps before, but not to this magnitude. The dinner cannon burps and spits and shoots out ham and gravy, and then it follows with dessert. Please, Santa, will you save me? I think Santa looks like he's in for some trouble himself, doesn't he? We tumble down the waterfall above the eggnog river, but Santa and I are an awesome team. Together we deliver. And now it's time for us to leave. Our night is nearly done. You tried your best this Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas, everyone. Sorry, guys. All right. Move my face. Okay. And I'll just pause, please. Me and the computer having problems. Here we go. All right, my friends. So this morning, well, we're not reading How to Catch a Reindeer, but that sounds like a really cute story. Oh, I didn't even know it existed. Isn't that something? Maybe you guys can read it over break while you're home. So this morning, when you come to morning meeting, you are going to need paper and pencils, colored pencils, markers, crayons if you want. We have 2 different activities we are going to be doing with How to Catch an Elf. So I'm excited to see you. We're going to have a good time, and then we'll be off for break. Happy Friday. See you guys in just a little bit.